Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about scooters of the year, the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155. If you're in the market for a sporty automatic two-wheeler that blends performance with aggressive styling, then you'll want to stick around. Yamaha has made a few subtle but impactful changes in this latest model, so let's explore what sets the 2025 Aerox apart. Right from the front, the Aerox commands attention. It carries forward its sharp and aerodynamic design that's been a signature look for the series, but the 2025 version refines it further with a sleeker LED headlight setup. The dual LED headlamps are sharper than ever, with enhanced brightness and a slightly smoked lens, giving it an even more premium and aggressive feel. The daytime running lights, now seamlessly integrated, not only add safety but elevate the visual appeal. From the front, it almost looks like a compact super scooter, which is exactly the vibe Yamaha seems to be going for. From the side, the Aerox continues its sporty narrative. The sculpted panels and race-inspired lines create an edgy silhouette, while the step-through design is still surprisingly practical. One of the highlights is the updated graphics. They're bolder and a bit more refined than last year's model. The 14-inch wheels remain, now finished in a matte black or metallic sheen depending on the color variant, and paired with wide tubeless tires that give it a planted stance. The fuel tank remains under the seat, which is quite large for a scooter, and still provides 5.5 liters of capacity, enough for city rides and short highway runs. At the rear, the taillight design is sharper and cleaner. The integrated LED unit sits neatly under the split-style grab rail, which now has a more ergonomic shape. The indicators are still separate units, but they blend well with the rest of the rear paneling. The exhaust design is chunky yet neatly styled, complementing the aggressive tone. Overall, the bike feels cohesive from every angle, striking a great balance between the aesthetics and function. Now let's talk about what really makes the Aerox 155 special. Its engine. Yamaha continues to use the same 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder SOC engine with variable valve actuation, derived from the R15 platform. But for 2025, the AQ has been slightly retuned for smoother power delivery and slightly better throttle response. It churns out about 15 PS at 8,000 RPM and 13.9 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. These might sound like modest numbers, but in the scooter world, this is one of the most powerful in its class. The performance is more than enough for spirited urban riding. Acceleration off the line is snappy, and the Aerox handles highway speeds with surprising ease. The CVT transmission is smooth and predictable, making it perfect for both new and experienced riders. The addition of traction control in some variants adds a nice safety net, especially on wet roads or gravel. One standout aspect is the ride quality. The telescopic front fork and twin rear shock absorbers do a solid job of soaking up everyday bumps, although it can feel a bit firm over rough patches, which is expected given the sports-tuned suspension. The digital LCD console is full of useful information: a speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, trip meter, and even smartphone connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app. The system lets you get notifications, track maintenance, and view fuel consumption data on your phone. It's a nice touch in a segment where tech is becoming increasingly important. Now let's talk money. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 comes in multiple color options and two main variants: the standard and the ABS variant. Depending on your region, the pricing starts around $2,500 to $2,700 for the base variant and goes up to about $3,000 for the fully loaded ABS version. Considering what you're getting in terms of design, performance, and features, it's priced very competitively. Yes, it's slightly more expensive than your typical city scooter, but this isn't your average commuter. It's a performance-focused machine built for thrill and practicality. So, who is the Yamaha Aerox 155 for? If you're a daily commuter looking for a stylish and powerful automatic ride, or if you're a weekend enthusiast who wants something fun without the hassle of a manual transmission, this scooter ticks all the right boxes. Yamaha has kept the soul of the Aerox intact while refining it just enough to make this 2025 version feel fresh and future-ready. And that wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155. Let us know in the comments what you think about this sporty scooter.